Welcome to another episode of Issuer Insights brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange. I'm your host, Douglas Yonas, and I'm joined today by Jose Garza. Now, Jose is the Industrials and Utilities Co-Portfolio Manager for the Gabelli Funds. Jose, thank you for joining me today. I want to start right out. Can you give us a bit of a background of your experiences as an investor?
Sure. Thanks, Douglas. So I'm a research analyst and portfolio manager covering the water and infrastructure sectors at Gabelli with a focus on industrial companies that generate energy efficient solutions for utilities, commercial and industrial end users. So I joined the firm in 2007, and then I rejoined in 2013 after completing my MBA.
Now, could you tell us a little bit about, Gabelli or your overall focus on the water industry and how you're looking at this promotion, if you will, of this mission of love our planet, love our people?
So we've been investors in the water sector for a long time. The sector itself has long been a natural choice for environmentally conscious investing. It provides efficiency and energy savings for customers, whether they're pumping water to end customers, treating wastewater, detecting leaks, measuring water through metering or irrigating a crop field. Most of these processes are very energy intensive, and so that we favor those companies that provide value for customers in terms of efficiency as well as lower total costs.
Got it. And I'm curious, are there particular trends in the water industry that you're looking at, especially, with respect to as you think about this investing in the future of the planet and investing in the future of the people around the world?
Yeah, so one of the things and trends that we see that's being applied broadly and now approaching the water sector is the trend in connectivity and data being brought to the sector itself. So traditionally, water infrastructure was put into the ground, left underground for potentially decades, largely unattended. So as that infrastructure has aged or is being put down for the first time in developing countries, for instance, utilities are looking for the most cost-effective way to manage these underground assets. And now they have the benefit of the industrial internet at their disposal. Another positive development that we've seen is the embrace by management teams on ESG reporting and access to additional transparency on their sustainability initiatives and what they're doing and undertaking there.
I'm going to put you on the spot a bit, but would you be willing to share maybe a company or two that you're interested in at the moment, something that fits a bit into this theme of the new ETF, LOPP, this love our people, love our planet?
Yeah, so one of the couple of names that we're considering for at launch for the LOPP fund. So one of them would be in my area, Xylem. So this is the largest pure play water industrial company. Provides critical solutions for wastewater pumping as well as treatment, and then more recent additions to its portfolio that address infrastructure challenges through the use of technology, as I discussed. Another name in the water sector that we find favorable and that fits the goal of the LOPP is Valmont Industries. So Valmont is the largest manufacturer of center period irrigation systems in the world. So this in itself helps alleviate food security issues as well as allowing farmers to more efficiently utilize water. In addition to that, the company has a very strong infrastructure business, particularly when it comes to transmission structures. It's a manufacturer of monopole transmission structures, which create a more resilient grid, as well as allow the addition of more renewable generation, which is one of the big trends that we see going forward as well.
Well, Jose, thank you so much for being here, sharing many of your insights with all of us. That's a wrap on the latest session of Issuer Insights, brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange, the home of ETFs.
You should consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, and charges, and expenses carefully before you invest. The fund's prospectus or summary prospectus contains this and other information about the fund and should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 888-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com/funds/ETFs/intro.